Hi, so yeah, welcome to our channel to watch this video for unboxing DW-6900RCS-4 Europe set. Okay, so Europe set come with like pending box, like special packaging just for Europe market. So yeah, here we go. We just unbox it. Okay, you can see the packaging with vegetable oil ink. Okay, the packaging is all is colorful with vegetable oil ink, so it's quite eco-friendly, I guess. So yeah, this is how is it. Okay, so today we choose for the pink one. You can see that actually for the RCS Reborn Crazy Color series is a bit different with the previous one. Okay, with the old version, the pink color is a bit different, and also especially for the faceplate design. Okay, so this how is it. The bezel with rosy pink, and the faceplate with pink color also. I mean the display for the faceplate is silver metallic. Okay, oh, for price tag also a bit different if I'm not mistaken, for compared with DR or ASIA set, since that here we mentioned like shock resistant, 20 pound water resistant, and normally for ASIA set will come with like 200-meter water resistance, so the unit of the measurement of the water resistance is different. And here also mentioned stopwatch, timer, alarm. For ASIA set, normally they will just mention stopwatch, if I'm not mistaken, right? If anyone know, you can just correct me in the comment section. Just let me know, or let others audience know that. Okay, so for information, this color or this series actually is stop production, so the factory is not product they produce this model or this series anymore. So yeah, it will become like more difficult to get this model in the market, no matter which country. Okay, so come with the production like back is made in Thailand, and also the buckle focus like casio Thailand. All right. Okay, so what's the next model you would like to see for us to unboxing? Can just let us know so we can make another video for you guys. Okay, alarm function, timer function, stopwatch function, and the light, LED light. Okay, using LED light for the upcoming or new models for DW-6900 series. Okay, yeah, I think that's all right. Wait, just let me have hands-on experience for you. Okay, the band is quite long, I guess. For it fit well for hand wrist size, like S until XXL also can. Yeah, comment down below if you think this one is more suitable for male or female, since that in Malaysia market actually is more male customer or male gshocker wearing this one. Okay, yeah, that's all from us. We see you next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your gshock friends. See you next video. Bye.